running. So we want to make this one here run. I already put air in the tire. Right back there. She went flat, bastard. Anyway, so we're going to change the click-clack fuel pump there. There's a spare one right there. Daniel's just jumped right into her to pull the fuel line off. I do not think there's a return on this because I was looking at this carb. I see a feed and I see no return. So there's no return line. So it's just a one-way feed. And that line there is just awful. Of course, I can't see what you're looking at. So this is the mess.
This is a really good setup here.
Yeah, that kinked over line right there. That's fantabulous. Copper. That's copper.
This is copper, yeah.
Copper fuel lines.
This I'm going to.
I don't even think you got to cut it.
Pretty much not.
No, it didn't even cut. It just disintegrated.
And this here, we're gonna take out.
There's gas in that.
Yeah, there is. It was obviously pumping because it's wet. Now I'm trying to get that off.
Well, which one feeds from the tank?
This here goes to the carburetor.
Oh, what you can't smell on the video. Old, stale gas. My God, that reeks. And it's on the blanket, by the way. That's gonna...
I should have got my gloves.
Flick, splash.
This is not
Splish,
good.
splash, you are getting a bath. Bath of gas. Coming on? The water coming. Oh, it's leaking gas.
It's leaking gas.
Oh, repulsive.
Coming back. Oh, it is. So we just have to...
We're on a bottle feed. Look at that. Sitting in early army. I didn't realize that says 30. Max speed. Max seed? Your maximum seed allowance is 30. That's all she'll take. Okay, it's got no fuel left in it. The click-clack is undone. Oh, you just plugged it back in. So it's running on its own fuel right now. It's gonna die here in a second, but it's running on its own fuel. And we watch, okay, yep, okay, stop. It's over flooded it just a tiny bit, but that carb is running. Yeah, go ahead. She's running smooth. If it had brakes, I could drive it home today. God damn. Yeah.
So we're gonna adjust the carburetor because the carburetor right here was flowing gas out of the top of it. So we're gonna... Oh. Flowing gas? No. It was coming out of here before. Oh, the vent started to work. Oh, awesome. I wonder if the... Nice. It's working. Oh, it's coming. Nope, there's the gas. Oh, stop. First time Dan's wearing gloves. Yep. And he's not even touching himself. Gotta be safe. There we go. The gas leaking. Oh, look at that. Even the gasket looks okay. What? Oh, it's beautiful.
It's in me. It's in the glove.
My jacket.
It's in my... Get it? Anybody got a match?
Wow.
There's puddles. Come on, you're not gonna die. So, I think that's the accelerator pump. What does that say?
Something.
It says blurry is what it says. Hold on. No,
There's gas everywhere.
Oh. You keep moving. Focus. It actually says it's peeing. That holds a lot of gas, and for a little carb. Look at that. Now is it empty? Oh my God, that holds a lot of gas.
Okay.
Nope, still leaking.
Oh.
No, still not done.
Oh.
It's getting in you again.
Oh.
How loose are these?
Oh, what?
It's good that it's gasoline and it's going to evaporate.
It's just water. For
It's
the
water?
sake of the video.
It's water.
It's just water. Your
So-
accelerator pump.
Just looking at these, and I'm wondering how loose these are in here.
Eh.
It's not terrible.
What is your accelerator? Oh, this.
Oh, it
it
squirts.
works. Look at that.
Oh my God, it's squirting on the
Oh,
inside.
yeah.
She really enjoys it.
It's still squirting.
Yeah, it's leaky. All right, let's. Okay, that just came loose. There's no way these are not like stuck. It's a 1969 carb. It has to have been taken up. Seriously? Okay, let's try that one. That's 2 for 4. I'm pushing down. That's what the grunting is. I don't want the screwdriver to... Oh, come on. Really? I think this carb was rebuilt. 1969 Holley Carburetor. Carbontator. Motion lotion distributor. Oops. I didn't like that screwdriver anyway. Daniel's trying to get the angle so he doesn't... But he's trying not to kill himself to get to it. There. Like this little carburetor. It's a bit of a bitch to hang on to, but it's so small. I mean, I don't know if those guys like deal with small things, how they deal with it, but Jesus.
put a 4-barrel on it.
I'm thinking something that burns diesel.
A diesel carburetor?
Diesel motor. We're gonna flip and flop it and swip and swap it.
Let's see what's inside here.
Change it. Oh, I'm betting it's got the gummies.
Don't wreck the seal if you can help it.
And you need a hammer. Everything is a hammer.
Oh.
Ow! That's steel.
Yeah, that hurts.
Where are we
seal
sticking?
Oh, it's sticking down in this corner.
I think she's already ripping.
Yeah, no. I think it's good. See?
Right there.
You need a little pick.
Yeah. Pick or
Here,
a
I'll get
flathead screwdriver so I can just go in and around it. So what were you saying? You think we can go?
I think we can go get one of these at Lordco.
No. I went to the Holley website, and the Holley website doesn't even carry parts for this thing.
What? But it's probably the same as a
The some of the components, like the main jet, the main float needle, may be the same, but it doesn't look like it's in bad shape.
The tip is a little bit.
A little bit, but I mean, see where it sits in down there?
Yeah, you're right.
See where it sits in down there?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. So the orifice. Why am I stuck on that word right now? Orifice.
Or if the float is waterlogged.
No, it doesn't seem to be. Give it a slush.
It is a bit heavy, but.
That's plastic.
Yeah,
this has been rebuilt.
Yeah.
This has been rebuilt sometime in the last 30 years. You gotta remember, this truck is 1969, so for it to have been rebuilt in the last 30 years, they would have had newer components for it. I think that O-ring right there is done. Okay, so empty, no gas in it. Your float needle is open. Flowing gas. Hopefully now we got it fixed. Closed, full of gas.
Oh, yeah.
Fixed.
There we go.
Fixed.
Let's put it together.
Daniel is so delicately using brake clean here. Camera over. Oh, there's the gasket material I was seeing.
Alright.
Uh-oh. They're looking for us.
Oh, no. That's fine. You can clean this later.
Yeah, just give her a little bit of a hose and brush at the same time. See, that part I'm not worried about because I know it's flowing gas.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, this gasket here.
Whatever's left of it.
Well, maybe I'll leave that there and then maybe it'll.
Yeah, maybe it will. You don't ever put gasket glue on carburetors.
Nope.
Which I had a guy called Hardcore Holley scream at me as I said I did that, and he goes, "No, don't ever do that again. I won't fix it if you do that."
What did you do to this?
What did I do to what?
This. Did you tighten it?
No. It's still. It's
it
just.
looks like it's cross-threaded.
That's the way it came apart. Seriously, it's the way it came apart.
So it's not tight?
No, not super tight. I literally spun it in most of the way with my fingers.
Okay.
Like I showed you how many threads were holding it. I wouldn't do it tight yet. Just leave it loose. Or, don't.
I don't care. Okay.
Well,
what do we need out there? This kit?
I think we have everything we need out there.
Oh.
The ratchet's out there. Everything else is out there. We don't need screwdrivers because they're out there.
Okay,
So I have a carburetor trick that some people know this and some people don't. It's an old trick. It's the, still tastes gas in my mouth. Awesome. Gonna put the carburetor back on. We're gonna cinch it down, snug. And we're gonna give this a go again. The Insta360, and no, I am not sponsored. They're expensive.
They
That's
sponsor you.
Well, everybody should sponsor me. I'm an asshole that likes to be sponsored. Daniel's going in here, tooth and nail. I have no idea. Probably.
It was over here somewhere. Turn on the pump.
Sounds like it's got pressure.
Yep.
Is it moving?
Yep.
Cool.
Fired up. Turn the ignition on.
That one up there should be on already. Yes.
Did we check the oil since we ran it to see if it was milky?
No. Let's take a peek at the oil.
Here,
Shut
hold
the
this.
pump off.
Oh, okay. It's not even dripping out the bottom.
No, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I don't see any milk. We have no milkshake. The boys are not coming to town. Let's see what she looks like. That looks decent.
Nice and clean.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I am not tasting it. Vice Grip Garage can lick up all the oil he likes. So we need the rag. Doesn't have to be super clean, but it's got to be, you know, no junk in it. Oil's fine.
Fire it up.
Fire it up.
You should be able to just pump the accelerator and go.
Pump, pump. Oh, wait.
Yeah,
Power on for the... Oh, we took the jump cables off.
that's okay. Oh, wait a minute.
Give her a sniff.
Where is it? Well, there's this other one, but I don't know what happened to the other one. Oh, yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. The alternator's on full charge. No current draw. Making 50 pounds of oil. It's fluctuating, but it's making 50 pounds of oil. It didn't like that. It doesn't like that. We killed it. Okay, so here's that trick. Bring the RPM up as high as you can, slowly. More, more. Back down. Now try and bring it up. Woohoo! Let it idle out. Now bring it up. So what it does is all the little ventures that you plug, as long as they make it suck it hard. Half off? Oh no. Yeah, it doesn't smell like exhaust, so I'm smelling the steam that's coming out of there. This is getting warm. It's a little bit low on coolant, but not terrible. Look at that, no blow by. Yeah.
Exhaust manifold broken.
Huh?
This manifold cracked off there. Here.
Oh yeah. That's why. This is the manual windshield wiper. I don't know how you turn these on, by the way. Look at that. 60 pounds of oil. This thing hasn't run in years. I don't know how you turn the wipers on. Top of the rad's nice and
I
warm.
would say it's doing good. It's not leaking either.
I would think if there's an issue, it's this water pump.
Well, yeah, if anything, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, obviously we splashed it. I see some fresh oil on the block there.